Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to search a business name in LegalZoom if it is available or taken already. First, all you need to do is to go on to the LegalZoom official website and type a specific business name that you want. And now from here, click on check availability. Now after that, select where will your business be located and click on next. From here, you can just simply choose a basic, pro, or premium. In our case, I'm going to choose on to the basic and provide your email and then phone number. After that, hit next. Now, what will your business do? You can choose different kind of industry. I'm going to choose the advertising and then click on next. From here, you can keep your LLC compliant to avoid setbacks. Click on next. From here, you can choose to select a plan or just simply no. Here, I'm going to choose the no thanks and a no thanks again. But it depends on you if you preferred with a specific plan. Here, it'll take 5 to 14 days standard processing for the free trial and click on to the next. Now, wait for your sampling package. You can also add a specific promo code to lessen it and then click on continue to check out. Wait for it. And then from here, all you need to do is to provide your shipping address, payment information, and many more. And then click on agree and pay now. And that's it. That's how to search business name on LegalZoom if it is taken away or available. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.